folks, Adam Odell here with Salem, and today I am proud to present to you the all-new 2023 32 BHDS. Now join me, let's take a look. As we step inside the 32 BHDS, I want to point out one of our biggest separators between us and the competition, and that is going to be our Versa Lounge. The Versa Lounge is going to be the ultimate versatility in RV furniture. Now you may ask, how is it so versatile? That's a great question. What you see here is one configuration of three. There are three total configurations. This is the one if you want to just hang out, you can chill, watch TV. I'm 6 foot tall, I have plenty of room. I'm just sitting here breezing the heat while I'm camping, okay? Once that gets old to you, you can actually take it. The back of this can flip, it lifts up, flips around, you put it there. Now you'll have a full U-shaped dinette with a smaller sofa, okay? And last but certainly not least, when you have that time, when it's time to go to bed, all of this entirety of 12 feet long will fold down to make one large bed. So if you have any 12-foot kids, they got a place to sleep. So again, biggest separator we have is going to be our Versa Lounge. As we make our way into the kitchen of the 32 BHDS, a couple things I'll point out. Number one, new for this year is our brand new Everchill 10 cubic foot refrigerator with a glass front, and it's going to have that metallic finish behind so you can see it when the light hits it. Okay, you're also going to have a beautiful, nice oven. Okay, LED lights around the knobs. You have a 3-burner cooktop stove with a glass top. You're going to have a nice range with a built-in microwave. You're going to have nice storage below or above here. You know, it's going to be very residential. You got your frosted glass, which is extremely nice. And then also I want to point out our panoramic window. The beautiful thing about the panoramic window is it keeps everybody on the inside connected to people on the outside. So if you're in here cooking or cleaning or just doing whatever, you don't feel left out. So having that panoramic window really sets the stage apart from us and the competition. And last, but certainly not least, I want to point out the storage below. This here is going to be our active Susie. What that means is that this one singular door, used for aesthetics, can be opened up into 3 individual drawers. As you can see, they'll lift out. And all of these come all the way out. The addition of this added about 33% more storage based upon this versus 3 separate doors itself. And it looks better. That there is our active Susie. Wait, I almost forgot. There's one more addition to this kitchen. New for this year, follow me over here. We added what we want to call a coffee/breakfast nook. Before, this wasn't even utilized, but now we added this area. We utilized what we had, and we added a nice countertop. We've got 2 stow-and-go bins, and have a nice backsplash, a light, and 2 overhead cabinets. So you want to store coffee, extra, whatever you want to do, that is what this brand new breakfast nook, or coffee nook, if you want to call it that, or bistro nook, it's what it's designed for. Make our way into the bathroom on the 32 BHDS. You're going to see that you're going to have a nice shower, you're going to have a medicine cabinet, plenty of lighting in there, and the biggest claim to fame on this model here is that it has an entry and exit door for the bathroom. Now, what's the benefit of that? The benefit is that kids and family members or guests or whoever, they're not going to be dragging their feet or their wet bathing suits through your camper just to use the bathroom. So it stays clean and you have your bathroom by just coming in and outside the door. Now we're in the rear of the 32 BHDS, which I am extremely excited to show you because a lot of this is brand new for this year. First, let's move our attention over to the bunk side. Okay, you're going to see you have one nice bunk on top here. Now this year we added a tri-level storage compartment. What that means is you're going to have individual shoe nooks. There's 9 of them in this custom created tri-level storage area. What we wanted to do was utilize all the space we possibly could, and we did that by creating this exclusive design for Salem. I'm going to scoot you over to this side. You're going to see the overhead bunk, which is available to go up or down, and then below the bunk you're also going to have a beautiful full queen bed. That's a Versa Queen. It just folds out and it's a full queen bed in addition to the bunk overhead and the bunk on the other side. That's what makes this model so special, is that it has 2 full queen beds and bunks all in the same model. Another great addition for the 2023 model is going to be our fireplace. Not only is it a functional fireplace, but this year we added that beautiful custom high-end mirror finish on the outside to give it that high-end luxury hotel aesthetic. So not only do you have a nice fireplace, but it also looks extremely expensive. And that right there just adds nice versatility and value to the 32 BHDS. As we work our way into the bedroom, I'm extremely excited to announce that this year in 2023, we are adding a king bed. That's right, I'll say it again, it's a full king bed. It's 66 by 78. The beautiful thing is that not only are we adding the king bed, but if you look, there are angles cut from the mattress. We have neo-angled the mattress not only to make the bed bigger, but to also give you more room to walk around. So this year you're gonna have a bigger bed and more room to walk around it, all in the same bedroom. That's incredible. Also, gonna have a nice storage below. Full pass-through storage with entry exit points on both sides and accessible from under the bed. You're also gonna have your 4 totes with the classic shoe nook below for all your shoe needs. And then I'm gonna draw your attention over here, okay, to this door. Okay, this door here is designed to be a laundry hamper. Basically, this is an antimicrobial net that won't rot, mold, or mildew. It's also waterproof, so the whole design point of this is to put your, wet towels, bathing suits, rags, whatever it is, you put them in there, you close this, okay, and then it comes off the hooks and you can access that from the other side, outside of the camper, so you're not dragging stuff through the door. There, you just take it, you have a drawstring, you pull it tight, and you take it to the laundromat, and you clean your laundry. All right, now on the outside, I'm going to draw your attention to the front storage compartment, okay? Front storage compartment is nice because you're going to have full pass-through storage all the way, which has 3 access points. One here, on the other side, and inside the bed, under the bed, when you lift it up, okay? So you have full pass-through storage, and it's all nicely finished out, so if you have water, you can easily just wash it out and keep things nice and simple. In addition to that, we also have the dry erase board surface on the back of the storage door, okay? Life is for living, it's what it says. And the beauty of this is also, if you have a to-do list or what not to forget, this is the ideal place to put that. And that's what we've done. Again, we're adding that versatility and creativity to every single thing that we possibly can. And last but not least, we're gonna have what I talked about inside is gonna be our antimicrobial laundry net. Again, it's accessible from the back of this door. It unhooks. You just take it, whatever you have in there, you tie your drawstring tight, just like so, and then you take it and you tell your kids, go do your laundry. One of the greatest benefits and features of the 32 BHDS is going to be the outside kitchen. I mean, look at this thing. It's incredibly huge. And there's plenty of room, literally, for any activities you can think of, okay? You're gonna have this beautiful countertop, which is metal. You can easily wash it out and keep it clean, very simple. You're gonna have nice storage compartments, overhead storage with another removable net, okay? You have this back area here, it's designed and backed for a TV. So if you want to add that TV, you can. You have a perfect place to put it to enjoy your games or whatever else you want to watch, okay? You also have a beautiful refrigerator, and you're gonna have a nice grill, okay? And all this comes standard on the 32 BHDS. Hey guys, thank you again for joining us today on the brand new 2023 32 BHDS by Salem. If you want any more information or questions, please go to our website at forestriverinc.com/Salem. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.